Someone has plucked this one from the pond. There are lots of water lilies here. Hello friends, today is Saturday and we came to, basically we thought of walking in the morning, so we started and then all of a sudden rain came, but we didn't stop. We keep walking on the rain. If you see, roads are all wet, it's still raining. We are, what is this place? West Park?
Central
No,
Park.
this is Central Park, right? Yeah. So we are in Central Park. No one is there, but some people are running actually in this rain. I've seen lots of people are running. This is morning, what time is it? 10 o'clock maybe? Yeah. So it's really beautiful, the scene here. If you can see, there are some wildflowers on my left side. Probably won't come in this video. I'll try to see, like, if there are lots of there, I'll zoom in. But overall this lake is very beautiful. Like, it's no one do anything here. There is no wastage, so it's clean. These are all wild stuffs, and the air is cold. Means it started summer here, but now today's weather is very nice. It's not that warm, there is no sun, so overall weather is cold. It's raining and I'm enjoying it a lot, this walk. Look at this bird. There are water lilies in the pond. And this is not a pond though, it's a lake. Okay. Lots of birds are here. Someone is in this bush. I can hear it, I cannot see the bird. It's here inside these bushes. So this lake has lots of fish. People comes here for fishing. And there are lots of water lilies here. I'm not sure if we can see it, but I'll see if I can go somewhere where it will be closer to take the video of the water lilies. Not sure if you can see those. I'm trying to. If you see some white spots, those are the water lilies. See? See, this is a bird. Oh, this is a sparrow actually. See the raindrops when they stays on the leaves, how beautiful they looks. Now I see some flowers. Probably I can show you the pink ones. Not pink, sorry, the purple ones. See? It's still raining, it's not that prominent now. I just said it's not prominent, it started gaining its speed. I think I can show you one water lily there. Oh, I can show you more. It's over there. Finally, I got some shade, so I can go inside those. You see? Lots of water lilies here. This one is the closest one. I see lots of fish. I hope you can see as well. These are all bluegills. These are the small bluegills. Someone has done them. Their creativity is here. For now, I'll wait here. Here comes Ajit. He came from the other side. I'm keeping these videos for my future, so when I'll get old I can imagine this kind of morning walks in the rain, which probably I won't be able to do when I'll get old. Ajit found something, but he's trying to get, oh man, no. He saw some plants, water plants. I told you, right, there are lots of wildflowers, so here we see some of them. And then we came on top of the bridge, and then we are going downside, and there are some stone stairs here. So oh yeah, lilies. Yeah,
It's so close.
yeah, I can do it like this, zoom it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Water lilies. Which side do you go? This side, right? You see? Oh, I see a water lily here. Someone plucked it. You see? Can you bring it front? Yeah. Wow. A beautiful bird. Oh, I have someone here. Today we'll be doing 5 miles actually. Oh, these are the things, right? Lots of.
Yeah.
Wow. See? These are the wildflowers. These leaves looks like known to me. In Bengali there is a leaves called lojjavati. Means if you touch them, they will shrink. So it looks similar to that. Yeah. I don't know what these leaves is called. More. Yeah, so what I was saying, today we have done almost 3 miles. Now we have to reach to our car, which is 2 miles away from here. So overall we'll be doing 5 miles today. Ah, that's another nice flower. This is what we are doing these days. We are capturing all the wildflowers. They're so beautiful. It's like sunflower, but it's not. It's something else. I don't know the name. I'll check like on Google. There are lots of these flowers.
See that patch, right?
Ah, but we cannot go there, right? Okay, I cannot. Yeah, I cannot show it from here. If you can see, there are lots of those purple flowers. Lots of them. So this place is very beautiful. Both sides there are these wildflowers. Amazingly decorated, this place. This is wild, but yeah, they have done very good work here. Keep this, means to keep these wildflowers. And then yeah, those patch, if I could go nearer to that place, there are lots of pink flowers over there, but I cannot go there. Okay, so this is it for today. It will take another half an hour for us to reach to the car. Now rain has came down. Yeah, I might can do a little bit zoom to show it here. Yeah, I think it is showing now. Yeah, it is showing actually. Yeah, these purple flowers. I need to bring that DSLR, one day.
That's what I say.
But today it's raining. It's no point bringing the DSLR. Maybe some other day we'll plan, Ajit.
Actually, today is the day to take that pictures with water, right?
Yeah, and then we need to capture some birds as well. Yeah, this is what flower. This is also beautiful. Okay, so yeah, for now this is it. We'll come with a new video. Thanks everyone. Thanks. Bye.